So, ayan guys, good evening, good evening. Uuwi na kami. So, let's go. Together with my friend. She's lucky. So, she's lucky. Oh, cannot. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Lucky me, and she's lucky me. Oh no, she and me is lucky together.
That's why Tina said, "You are together. You are lucky together."
Oh.
You and me.
Oh. So, uwi na kami guys. Salamat Lolo. Salamat MGM. Binusog mo na kami. Kapera pa kami. Ayan. Here, have the way. Let's go, have the way. Ayan, so dito na kami guys.
We go to take a bus 50 going Taika.
There. Oh. Okay. So, ayan guys. Ito po yung mga sakayan ng tourist border gate. Go to Shuhai.
May hausok lang.
At kami ay sasakay papuntang Taipa kung saan kami umuwi. So, ayan guys. Pinagpala ang aming mahiwagang Sunday ngayon. Thank you MGM. O diba? Yung cellphone na galing sa kanya, automatic bayad. May tubo pa siyang 200. O diba? San ka pa? Ay nako, buhay nga naman. Yung nag-enjoy ka lang. Yung nag-enjoy ka lang, tas binigyan ka ng pagpapala ni Lord. Yung laro-laro mo lang siya, diba? Tapos binigyan ka ng blessing. So, hindi naman natin ugali yan, pero loko tong kasama ko eh. Dahil sa pagpapala, nagkapera kami. Nabusog na, nagkapera pa. Kasi guys, dyan sa MGM ay libre ang drinks. Ayun. Yan, kakainom ng malamig na milk tea with tapioca. And then meron pa ako dito guys. Oh, she's happy. Oh, her face is win. At may baon pa kami guys, tubig. Ayun, dami oh. Oh, may tinapay pa dyan. Ha? Yan. Yung tubig na yan ay ibibigay ko sa kanya. So, ha? You rich now? You rich and full. Ayan guys, dahil masaya ang araw naming Sunday ngayon, no? Pagpapala nga naman, hindi mo inaasahan. Sadya eh. Antay kami ng bus dito pauwi. Ayun pa guys, so matagal-tagal pa. So antayin natin siya. I'm scared to click very fast. That's why. So even slowly click. This is the puzzle, right?
No, don't worry, Mali. We already have the one I said. This is 17. Right?
17 and then another 300. 300? 100 something.
156.
Oh, so you're lucky.
The one I say. Because we are played another place.
Yeah,
but
another machine.
No, it is better. And this
so
one
is lucky. Okay. Nag-enjoy na, nabusog pa. Winner pa. Saan ka pa, 'di ba? Oh. yung 200 naging almost 2,000. Una, yung 100 nanalo ng 6. No, 200.
Already 2,000. Because 300 I win there.
No, before 100.
Yeah, 100 and get
win
2 times.
200.
And
then another 100 win.
300.
So
300.
and then another
100.
100, the last one play 1,000 something.
1,008.
Oh, you see? Okay lah. It's good. Ayan guys. May 60 na ano? 60 no. Terminal Maritimo.
This is what I have.
Terminal Maritimo? No. Is Terminal Maritimo is in
Yeah. Here.
oh, you know? Yeah, this one 60. Go to Terminal Maritimo is Macau Ferry. 50 is go to Taipa. So wait a minute. Coming is 7. How about 50? Oh, so ayan na guys, ang aming sasakyan coming 50. Oh, let's go. Wow. Until there, oh my God. Why very far? Oh my God. Oh no. Okay, then here, Tojo. Because yeah, only 3 person, only 3 passenger. Ayan guys, uwi na ang mga winner.
Look at me.
You see? Happy. Look, winner. Yeah.
Next time we have the lolo 3 lolo.
You dream next time? Oh no.
Yeah, can.
So ayan guys, galing kami dyan. Let's go home. O diba? Kami po ay 3. Is turn around, Tojo? It's there. Why? Where's the way? The 50 bus. Oh, mag-araride po kami. Diyan po kami galing, oh. Diyan kami pumasok kanina. So, at kami ay magra-round trip. Oh, di ba? Turn around there. Napi? Going to Napi? Oh, really? Turn around here. See here, like this. Ayan. Oh. The bus. Oh, the empty bus. Special bus. Only me and my friend. And the back is of the grandpa. So only 3. Oh, you see, this is the Nape, the immigration. Oh. Oh. Bukas ay holiday, so ito po yung garden na pinag-anuhan namin ni Choco. Holiday bukas, hindi daw ako day off, so ayun, pick up dito ng passenger. So ayan guys, because before Corinne teach her this one, I don't know which the door, but she tell me is this building. So guys, nahirapan ako mag-English, dumudugo ilong ko kasi kasama ko yung friend ko. Ayan o, Africana. Dahil bihira kaming magsama ngayon. Ayan ang New Oriented Landmark Hotel, Macau. Yan, yung may kulay-kulay na yan. Meron din po diyang laruan. Ay not try this one. I'm not try there. Yeah.
Sure, let's go up there.
I'm not try there. You know. Ayan, uwi na. Umikot po kami. Oh, umikot lang yung bus. Just sa building na yan. At continue na po kaming diretso na. So, yan po ang tanawin sa gabing madilim. Habang nagkukuti-kutitat ang ilaw. Ayan o. At dito sa opposite niya, yan, kanina dyan yung fountain, water dancing. Dati may kulay yun. O, diba? Ang liit ng Macau. Iikot lang kami dito. So, continue to go to Lisboa. Ano na? Ah! No. Turn around, turn around. Mahilo ko nang kakaikot dito, guys. O, diba? Balik na naman kami sa Lisboa. Ayan. Tapos, iikot siya doon, kukuha ng pasahero, and go to Taipa, my place. Ayan. Oh. Okay. Ayan, umikot siya, guys. Dito. Ayan, mag-pick up po siya ng pasahero. So, bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching always.